Hello everyone, and welcome to Foodies Park. Today we're making a fun, crunchy, and incredibly easy snack, crispy corn sticks. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need just a few things. Corn kernels and toothpicks are the stars. Then, for coating, we'll use rice flour, salt, pepper, and later, a sprinkle of chaat masala. First, simply skewer the corn kernels onto the toothpicks. Make as many as you'd like. Now, bring a pot of water to a boil. We'll boil the corn sticks briefly. This step ensures they cook through and become tender before frying. Boil them for just about 2 minutes. Don't worry if a few kernels pop off. That's perfectly fine. Then, remove them and place them on a plate. While the corn sticks cool slightly, let's make a simple coating. In a bowl, add a few tablespoons of rice flour, a pinch of salt, and some pepper. You can try a dry coat, but for a better crunch, add just a tiny bit of water to make a light paste. Mix it well. Now coat each corn stick evenly with this paste. In a pan, heat oil for frying over a medium flame. You don't need deep frying, just enough to shallow fry the sticks. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the corn sticks. Don't overcrowd the pan. Fry them until they turn a light golden brown. This gives them a wonderful crunch. Be careful not to over-fry, or they can become too hard. Once they're crispy and golden, take them out. While they're still hot, sprinkle on some chaat masala. This adds a tangy, spicy flavor that's absolutely delicious. And that's it. Your super easy and addictive crispy corn sticks are ready to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please try this recipe and let us know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick recipes. See you next time.